Hello, this is Catherine from Accelerated Reader. Today, I will be reading Owlie Learns to Fly by Meaghan Fisher, art by Tim Rowe. Before I begin, I would like to give a big thanks to Meaghan Fisher for allowing us to read her book on our channel. In the description below, I have included links to Meaghan Fisher's page, Facebook, and Twitter. Go check it out. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Here's a little description of what the story is about. It's flying day. Today, all of Mother Owl's babies will learn how to fly. His brothers and sisters are excited, but Owlie is a little nervous. Each time he steps to the edge, he backs off and lets someone else go instead. Finally, he's the last owl left. Will little Owlie find his courage to soar? Owlie Learns to Fly by Meaghan Fisher, art by Tim Rowe. To Emma, Rose, and Kevin, may you always be motivated to fly high and accomplish your dreams. Once upon a time, there was a mother owl who had 6 little babies. And today, all her owls were learning how to fly. As the first little baby owl prepared to fly, Mother Owl asked, "Owlie, are you ready to fly?" Owlie took a step away from Mother Owl and the other babies who were eager to fly. Mother Owl tried to encourage her little baby owl. "Just think of all the wonderful things you will be able to see as you fly," she told Owlie. "Are you ready to fly, Owlie?" asked Mother Owl again as Owlie tried to hide behind his brothers and sisters. "No." "Okay," she said with patience. "Why don't you practice a little?" She sent another baby owl flying to the nearby branch. "Your brother sure looks like he had fun flying," Mother said. "Are you ready to fly?" Owlie looked at his little owl feet. "No." "All right. If you are not ready to fly yet, I understand. How about we practice together?" asked Mother Owl. "No, thank you." "Owlie, do you think you will be ready to fly after your brother flies on his own?" she asked her little baby owl. "No." "Well then, Owlie," Mother Owl said as she pulled back her wing feathers to peek at him, "you will be alone after your brother leaves our home, for I will have to fly to meet your brothers and sisters." Owlie watched as his brother flew out of their hole. As he flew, Owlie heard him yell out how beautiful the moon looked. "I sure would like to see the moon," Owlie whispered to himself. "Flying doesn't look too hard, I suppose." "Okay, Owlie," said Mother Owl as she urged him toward the hole in the tree. "Are you ready to fly?" "Yes!" shouted Owlie. He gave Mother Owl a kiss on her beak, and she smiled. Then Owlie lifted his wings and stepped to the edge of the hole. Owlie leaped out from his home in the tree, soaring through the night air. The moon shone bright, and Owlie smiled as he flew to meet his brothers and sisters on the branch where they had landed. Mother Owl soon joined her baby owls. Wrapping her wings around them, she hugged them all tight. "See, Owlie, I knew you could fly." The end. Make sure to give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.